If you want to learn more about Igbo Nigerian culture, please let me know. You can hit me up on my YouTube. Obviously this is my YouTube, but my Instagram is linked below in the description. So I appreciate that a lot. If you would like an Igbo name, I can gift you one, just based off of your characteristics. So let me know some characteristics about you, your relationship with God. The same as EJ was talking about his ancestors and God, and basically a name that had to deal with, you know, the connection between that and being strong-willed and things like that, right? So let me know. I will gift you an Igbo name. If you are Igbo, I will feature your name on the next Igbo name of the day. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.